Hey there, I'm Julian, and in this video we want to talk about Revolut and what you can do with it. I will show you everything you need to know step by step, so we will just go through all the features and in the end you will know how to use your Revolut account. Quick note, if you haven't signed up yet, you will find my partner link to Revolut down in the video description. It's a partner link, so there may be a sign up bonus depending on your region. And yeah, when you click on it, you can sign up and at the same time you're helping me and my channel, so thank you a lot. So without further ado, let's dive in and see what you can do. So this is the account you will see once you have signed up. And one of the biggest features of Revolut is that you have different currency accounts. So for example, I have a British pound account and I have a Chinese yen account, a euro account. And whenever I need a new account, I can just click on more on the right here, add product and accounts. And then I can just click on currency account. And for example, if I want a USD account for US dollars, then I can just click on it. And it will automatically, magically open up an account for me in USD. And now I can either add money to it, or I can share the details with someone in the US and they can transfer money to my account. Or within Revolut, I can also exchange money. Therefore, I can just click on move and then I can just put euros into my USD account. Therefore, I will just select euros up here and it automatically switched. And now I can just type in how many euros I want to exchange to USD and I can type it in, for example, 10 euros. And up here, I will always see the mid-market exchange rate. So for 1 euro, I get 1.16 USD. And if I'm okay with this, I can click on review my order and I see there are no extra fees because I'm during the week, and then I can sell euros for USD. And there you have it. Within 2 minutes, I opened up my USD account and I put some dollars there on my account. And that's quite nice. So this is the biggest feature. So you can exchange money or you can simply add money, for example, from your Apple account. Or another nice feature, once you open up your currency account, you will also get local details. So you can click on details and here you can see country specific routing numbers and accounting numbers. For example, in euro, you always have the IBAN number. So you can directly give the account details to someone and then they can pay you in USD. So you can also receive money in different currencies, for example, in USD or in euro. Just always share the details with someone and then they can top up your account by just transferring money to your account. So you now have a bank account in pretty much every country, which is quite nice. So these are the accounts, and as said, just click on more and you can always add a new currency account in all different currencies. I think there are up to 35 different currencies. And another nice part about Revolut, it will also give you different cards. So you can click the card icon in the top right corner and it will open up this one here, and then just click on add new card. And now you have the option to either select a physical card, so a plastic card or a metal card or even a platinum card, and you can just click on it and then they will get you a card here for free and they will deliver it to you to your home address. But I'm a bigger fan of these virtual cards here because then I don't have to wait for the delivery guy. And here you can simply select the color. For example, we go with this black. And I can click on it and then I can click on get a card for free. And then you can label the card, whatever you want to name it. For example, vacation card when I go on vacation, and then I can just create the card. And now the card is available in my account. And the nice part now, I can add it to my Apple Wallet and then I can pay with my phone on vacation. So just add this to your Apple Wallet and then you can start using the card. And the nice part about this card, when you are abroad, for example, you're traveling to, let's say, Switzerland and you pay with your card, then you directly pay in Swiss franc and the amount will be automatically deducted from your Swiss account here on Revolut. So that's quite nice. You can always pay while traveling in the local currency and you always get a good exchange rate here on Revolut. And this makes your life way much easier when you're traveling abroad. So now we already know how to open up different currency accounts and how to get a physical card or a plastic card. But Revolut didn't stop there because you can also start investing your money via Revolut. Therefore, you can just click on invest. And now you can just add money to it or you can directly start trading. For example, if you want to buy stocks, you can just click on stocks and it will show you the nicest stocks right now, most traded this week. For example, here Microsoft. Then you can just click on it and you can see the chart of the stock, different time frames. And down here you can have also more information. For example, the market cap, the price earning, the PE ratio, and the annual earnings per share. So this is quite nice. You can also just type in the stock you want, for example, Apple, and it will directly give you the Apple stock. And then you can just click on buy, and then you can type in how much you want to invest, or you can also type in the amount of shares you want to have. And of course, you can also invest in ETFs, so you don't have to buy stocks. There are ETPs, you can buy bonds. So yeah, this is how you invest. Pretty straightforward. You just type in the asset you want to have, and then you can buy it within the app. So this is quite nice. And next you have payments. So when you want to send money to someone, you can just click on payments in the middle. And in the upper right corner, you click on the plus icon, and now you can select how you want to pay. So Revolut also works with Rev tags, which is similar to PayPal. So every Revolut user has a Rev tag, and then you can send money to this Rev tag. But you can also, I think most of you will transfer money to a bank account. Therefore, just click on bank, and it will bring you to this page. And here you can add the recipient. Either it's an individual or a business, and you can select the country here. So for example, in my case, it's Germany, and the currency is euro. And then I can type in the IBAN number, the first name and the last name, and optionally their email, because then they will get an email once the money is sent to them. So this is how you can send money to someone. It's pretty straightforward. You can also scan the QR code here. Just click on the QR icon in the upper right corner. Then you can, for example, scan the QR code on an invoice, and then you can send money there. So yeah, this is how you transfer money from one account to another. And let's check out the last two items. So you have crypto here, and with Revolut, you can also invest in crypto. It basically works like stocks, but it's a different asset class. So here you can just click on trade, and then you see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you can select it, and you see a chart here, a daily chart, a weekly chart, a monthly chart, and then you can just buy crypto here. So just click on buy. And on the next screen, you can type in the amount you want to invest. For example, 20 euros in my case. Then I can review the order, and then I can buy Bitcoin, and it will be automatically placed into my Revolut account. So this is quite nice. I love this about Revolut. They have stocks, they have ETFs, but they also have different asset classes like crypto, and you can invest in those. So yeah, just simply go on crypto, and then you can explore the whole thing. You have the biggest coins here, the top movers of the day, and then you can just select them, buy them, and you can also send them to your wallets, which is quite nice. So they are not only on Revolut. So you can also buy cryptos here and then send it to your wallet and keep it there. So yeah, this is quite nice. And the last point are Rev-Points. And this is also nice because here you see I am on the premium plan, and for every 4 euros I spend, I get 1 point. And it's similar to what you had back in the days with credit cards. So whenever you paid with your American Express card, you get points, and then you can transfer those points into products like air miles or hotel stays. And this is similar. So every pound or euro or dollar you spend with your Revolut card, then you get Rev points for this, and you can redeem those, for example, with airline miles or different stays, or even an eSIM, a shop, a gift card, and airport lounges, and yeah, fast tracks on the airport. And it's like a benefit program you used to know from credit cards. And I like it that they integrate this because yeah, when you spend money and you get some points and some Rev points for it, and next thing you know, you can upgrade your international flight. I like it. If you want to try it out, as said, you will find my sign up link down in the video description. From time to time, they're offering a bonus via the links of their partners, so make sure to check it out. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and we see us in the next video. Goodbye.